Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Huawei Hisilicon device to make a testing. Before I enter the main topic, I will introduce some basic concept about Huawei devices. L is a Huawei device. It's connected to my laptop. And Huawei will need a custom ROM for the uh, laptop-based testings. We can say in the ROM, in the system uh, system information, and you can say the, the build number, and the version number is end with 990, and this is a specific version for the Huawei custom ROM. They have different SPs. Right now, it's SP11. And this ROM is provided by Huawei, and you need to request uh, this ROM from the Huawei support uh, guys. uh, this ROM is designed for the laptop-based connections like AirScreen or something else. So right now, another thing is quite loud right now is uh, for AirScreen settings, make sure this one is the to start the high agent when startup. In this default is enabled, but I need to check it. So uh, okay, and we can start it manually to start. Okay, and now you can say that the high agent is now on the line. You can see it's the welcome screen. And another thing you need to know to make sure that internet connection is enabled because the Huawei high agent will go to the servers to retrieve the license from uh, Huawei servers. So that's the uh, uh, basic concept of Huawei testings. Okay, another thing is we need to enable the Huawei port, device port, how to enable the Huawei um, uh, engineering port for diagnostic. So, this is a guide, and I will show you how to do it. So, firstly, you need to dial this code 284 657 9159. Okay, you will see it, and you need to go to File, Background Settings, and USB port setting. USB port setting to enable the balloon debug mode. Okay, you can see the mode is changed, and from the device manager, you will see an auto pause which is enabled, and the driver is installed. If you don't have these drivers, you can contact us to get it. So that's the pause and the configurations. So right now we need to do uh, the, mm, the port settings of Huawei devices. Okay, let's go to the AirScreen, and we can And to make this one, this is the screen of how we can enable the Huawei pause. Okay, let's uh, let's add a device. Uh, we can add from this here Hisilicon device, and we will set the port. That port we need to choose is the Huawei application interface. Application interface. This is the DAC port. And the command port we use Huawei adapter PCUI. Okay. So now we can get the response from the Huawei devices, and we need to install the AirScreen assistant. So click store. And from the screen, we can say this message. And we need to install. We can say the AirScreen assistant is installed. Okay, now the device is ready and we can connect now. Okay, from the AirScreen assistant, we can say that we need to ensure some settings. Allow the position, and the AirScreen is now connected, and the location is there. And we will check how the message okay, we can say the messages. And right now is the testing is ongoing. And we can set a toggle airplane to say more message, and the more message is in the screen. And then we can say it's in a 5G mode. To get this. Okay, this is the screen, and we can make a call. And the call is ongoing. Okay, that's the Huawei testing and guide. It's very simple, and uh, we have introduced some difference from Huawei to Qualcomm and MediaTek, and that's the this video. Thanks.